Hi everyone, this is Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Lianhe Machinery Limited Corporation for visit their factory and their products. In the next part, I'm going to show you more details of their company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before we start, we would like to give a brief introduction of the company. As an expert in the fields of cosmetic, food, and pharmaceutical machinery, our company is specialized for over 26 years developing. Lianhe Machinery supply with a whole production line machines, including vacuum emulsifier mixer, liquid washing mixer, water purifying treatment, automatic and semi-automatic filling capping labeling line, packing machines, perfume production line machines, etc. All machines conforms GMP standard.
And here is our showroom. I believe you have some simple understanding with our company right now. So let's officially start introducing the products. Today's main part are for some hot sales items of our company. Now follow my lead and let's begin with the part 1. As you see, this is our vacuum emulsifying mixer. Maybe you are wondering what it is made of. So the next part, I'm going to show you more details of this machine.
The machine mainly composed of emulsifying tank, water tank, oil tank, vacuum system, lifting system, electric control system, operation platform, and etc. The vacuum emulsifying mixer is mainly used to produce high viscosity products such as cosmetic cream, ointment, skincare products, and etc. The machines has the functions of vacuum, low speed mixing, high shear homogenizing, heating, and cooling. In order to ensure the quality of the machine, we use international brand motors and electronic components such as ABB, Siemens, Schneider, Ormond, and etc.
As you see, this is our 500 liters homogenizer mixing tank, mainly used for the production of liquid washing products such as shampoo, liquid soap, shower gel, and etc. The machine includes low-speed mixing, high-shear homogenizing, heating, and cooling functions. And the control system can be button control or Siemens PLC touchscreen control.
We only use ABB or Siemens brand for mixing and homogenizing motors to ensure the quality and service life of the machine. The 3-layer stainless steel design of the tank body is mirror polished 5 times, which fully complies with GMP standards. Apart from this, the company has passed the National ISO 9001 certification, 3C certification, and a large number of international and domestic quality certification systems. At the same time, our company also won a number of industry and government awards and honors.
Not only that, our company also established a complete supporting service process from pre-sale to after sales. Pre-sale to ensure the test condition of the machine when it leaves the factory, the installation and commissioning of our engines in the customer's factory.
What's more, we will also implement a 1-year warranty and lifelong maintenance. Meanwhile, we guarantee semi-annual telephone and video return visits by sales staff, as well as relevant records and reports.
Our regular package is single-piece individual package. Our company provides different kinds of package for you that you can choose which one you prefer. The package of our company can better to take it out and transport anti-collision. As you see, all the packages are dust-free and waterproof. Okay everyone, we have gone through all the products and the company for today. Thanks for your listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in any time. And I will put the website in here. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.